Welcome everybody to the National Kitchen and Bath Association grand opening celebration of FineLines Parker. We've done it. We are here celebrating this beautiful showroom in Parker, Colorado on the corner of Lincoln and Main. I can't wait for all of you to see this place. Let's go check out Monogram. Hey Jared. Jared with Monogram. Yeah, we sure have. We did it virtually last time.
No, we did it in person in Zunai. We did that. I didn't know I was going to get into it until we got it.
Yeah, well, I'm going to ambush you again. That's when I get the most natural reaction, right?
Good.
All right. So we're excited about the Parker FineLines showroom, and I think coming up the steps and coming right into the Monogram vignette speaks volumes about just the quality of the product, the new design language. We're seeing a lot of new products out that I know you're excited to have even here in the showroom.
I know it's an amazing partnership with FineLines, first and foremost, to allow us to be here at the top of the steps, but I think they've kind of gone into a good partnership with us and know that we're like at the forefront of luxury appliances. And as you kind of can look around this, you get to see a lot of not just exclusives that we do, like our hearth oven that does pizzas. Cool thing too, cooking vegetables, just searing fruits. We've got a fruit setting, now you want to put some peaches in there and just glaze the top of your peaches is great. But moving on even into our 30-inch convertible product, these fit flush completely, but what I love about them the most is not just like the interior, nice quality glass shelves, but this bottom drawer is actually convertible. So if you want this to be extra refrigeration, it can chill, it can freeze, or it can wine. So in a pairing like this, you can have all fresh food up top. You could have all freezer at the bottom, or if you don't have a lot of freezer space, you could just have freezer, and have other wine over here. So it's convertible and it gives you 60 inches of kind of a lot of customizable space.
I've had apartments bigger than this, or smaller than this, actually.
I know.
In New York City, this right here, $1,400 a month.
Yeah, right.
So some of the things that I love about Monogram, the Vanium.
Yeah.
I love the 48-inch Pro ranges. I love that smart burner.
Yeah, it's coming out. So this would be kind of a taste of what our new Pro ranges and new range tops look like. There will be a model that will be capable of the first in the industry of maintaining a temperature on a gas burner. So I could keep a pan at 400 degrees for an extended period of time. Never been done. That partners up with like this Heston Q pan that would work on this burner. But this new guy, all brass, all true brass across the burners, across the knobs. These are single cut pieces of brass that are screwed in individually into each stainless steel knob. There's no plastic on these, and are they weighty? They feel like they look.
Yeah, I wouldn't want anybody to mug me when I'm holding one of these. They're going to the hospital.
It's a long way from a red plastic knob, I can tell you that much.
Yeah. We know about those.
On the cooking surface, just real briefly, 23,000 BTUs on both of these burners, currently the highest in the industry. What does that mean? A guy like Mark,
more power.
If he wants to sear and cook that and get that up, he can get it blazing hot. Say he's cooking in a round pan or a wok, you can flip this grate over and it will accommodate a round pan or a wok on this side.
That's great. I love that too because they're lighter to pick up.
Yeah,
cleaning.
We use a three-piece grate design instead of just this thing like that.
And that allows you to kind of pick it up without having it weigh 1,000,000 pounds. Which is sometimes.
It really is 1,000,000 pounds.
At the end of the day, when I'm cooking all day, I'm like, oh man, this thing, I gotta pick it up. I love it. All right. So lots of innovations from Monogram.
Absolutely.
Of course, pizza oven, Vanium, beautiful refrigeration, and just smart cooking. We love it. And Wi-Fi everything.
Right?
Yeah.
So all these ovens you can just remote connect to, turn it on, do guided recipes, and there are often more recipes on your smartphone than what's actually in the appliance. But our idea with Monogram is an ownership experience to where that appliance is actually better than what it was 2 years down the road than when you bought it.
It just keeps getting better.
And our new Pro ranges that are launching, there's already a patch update for it that is loading new recipes, and they're shipping right now. They're brand new, so we're already looking at. We got a new recipe. We can improve this product as we go.
I love it. I love it. All right, we're going to wrap up here.
Absolutely. Thank you,
Jared,
Mark.
thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory FineLines, and we're in the Parker showroom celebrating the grand opening of the FineLines showroom, and we love it. So thanks for spending some time with me. Swing on by. We'd love it if you came by, came upstairs and checked it out. I can't guarantee this level of activity or fun, but can guarantee that you're going to see some beautiful appliances. Thanks for tuning in.